After the Ghibli style, now a new trend is going viral on social media: action figure kit store design. You must have seen it. This design is everywhere. And now you must be wondering, can I make a design like this from my photo? So in today's video I'll show you the whole process. How to create this design using ChatGPT and some AI tools. And the best part, it's all free. Creating a design with ChatGPT. First, download the ChatGPT app or visit the website. Click on the plus icon, then choose the photo option. Here you can upload up to 4 photos, like a monitor, camera, CD player, and a selfie of yours. Now enter the prompt, which I'll give in the description. Enter your name or brand name below and send it. In 5 to 6 minutes you'll get an awesome toy figure kit design. Download it. So guys, this is how you can make viral action figure toy videos using ChatGPT and AI tools for free. If you want me to make more AI tricks and videos, do comment. And yes, subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss such fun and trending videos. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.